Look up at the night sky. For centuries we've wondered what it would take to reach those distant lights. We built rockets like Saturn V, powerful, awe-inspiring, but used only once. Starship is a new idea, a vehicle designed to be reused, more like an airliner than a firework. Its stainless steel body isn't just for looks, it's strong, heat-resistant, and built to last. Starship is made of two parts, the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft, together taller than any rocket before. It can carry over 100 tons of cargo or 100 people, far more than the space shuttle ever could. This scale opens up possibilities, building space stations, assembling giant telescopes, or transporting materials for a moon base. Starship changes space travel from rare and expensive to routine and ambitious. It's not just a rocket, it's a philosophy of sustainability and permanence. The rockets of the past were like the first ships crossing oceans, single-use, risky, and precious. Starship is the start of routine space travel, turning the void into a place for commerce, exploration, and even settlement. It's a tool for building a future in space, not just visiting it. When you see Starship, see a promise, a future where humanity is truly spacefaring. It's a leap from the age of disposable rockets to the era of cosmic infrastructure. Starship is the steel embodiment of our dream to reach the stars. Not just for a few, but for many. It's the beginning of a new chapter, where the sky is no longer the limit. Imagine building a new airplane for every flight. Absurd, right? Yet that's how space travel has worked for decades. Rockets' most expensive parts are thrown away after minutes of use, keeping costs sky high and space out of reach. Starship is designed for full, rapid reusability. Both booster and spacecraft return, land, and fly again. The Super Heavy booster is caught by robotic arms. Starship belly flops back to Earth, lands and is ready for another mission. This revolution slashes launch costs by factors of 100 or more. Suddenly, vast satellite networks, space-based solar power, and ambitious science missions become possible. Reusability turns space from a rare destination into a place where we can work, build, and explore. It democratizes access, letting smaller nations, universities, and companies join the adventure. SpaceX has already proven reusability with Falcon 9. Starship takes it to the next level. When the whole vehicle is reusable, the cost per kilogram to orbit plummets. This is the key to making humanity's presence in space permanent, not just a series of brief visits. Starship unlocks a future where space is open to all. Our first steps beyond Earth will be to the moon, this time, to stay. Starship's huge capacity means it can deliver habitats, rovers, and supplies for a permanent lunar base. The moon is our training ground for the next leap, Mars. Starship is built with Mars in mind, using orbital refueling to make the journey possible. The vision isn't just to visit Mars, but to build a self-sustaining city, a new branch of civilization. Starship will carry equipment to turn Martian resources into water, oxygen, and fuel, enabling round trips. Once this cosmic highway is open, the rest of the solar system becomes reachable. Starship could support missions to asteroids, or even the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. It's not just a moon or Mars vehicle, it's a universal transport system for the solar system. Starship gives us the means to explore, settle, and understand our cosmic neighborhood. Earth's history is marked by disasters, asteroids, supervolcanoes, mass extinctions. As long as we're a one-planet species, we're vulnerable to a single catastrophe. Starship is about more than exploration, it's about survival. A self-sustaining city on Mars is humanity's ultimate insurance policy. If disaster strikes Earth, our culture and knowledge endure elsewhere. The effort to settle Mars will drive innovation in energy, recycling, and sustainability, benefiting life on Earth. The technologies we develop for Mars could help us live better here. Expanding into space could also unite humanity, giving us a shared goal and a new sense of purpose. The Apollo program inspired the world. Building a city on Mars could inspire generations. Starship is a reminder that we're all crew on Spaceship Earth, and our destiny may lie among the stars. It's a project for all of humanity, transcending borders and politics. Our future can be one of hope, resilience, and cosmic ambition. Building Starship isn't a straight path, it's trial, error, and relentless iteration. SpaceX's approach: build, test, fly, learn, repeat, sometimes with spectacular explosions. Each test, success or failure, brings vital data and rapid improvement. We've seen Starship prototypes hop, soar, belly flop, and finally stick the landing. The process is public, messy, and incredibly effective. Innovation extends to manufacturing. Starbase is more shipyard than rocket factory, churning out starships at unprecedented speed. Mass production is key. You need a fleet, not just a few. Now, the focus is on the full-stack Super Heavy plus Starship, aiming for orbital flight. Each test pushes boundaries, from launch systems to stage separation. The journey is relentless forward momentum. Try, fail, improve, repeat. Starship's story is one of learning from every setback. Every step, no matter how explosive, brings us closer to a multi-planetary future. It's engineering at its boldest, building the road to the stars. At Starship's heart are its Raptor engines, efficient, reusable, and fueled by methane and oxygen. Methane isn't just powerful, it can be made on Mars, enabling a solar system-wide economy. Elon Musk's vision and hands-on leadership have driven this relentless pace of innovation. But it's the technology that matters. Every part of Starship is reimagined for reusability and reliability. The belly flop re-entry, steel flaps, and robust heat shield are radical departures from past designs. Manufacturing is streamlined for mass production, not just one-off launches. Starship stands on the shoulders of rocket pioneers, but charts its own bold course. It combines advanced materials, new manufacturing, and audacious engineering. The goal isn't just a better rocket, it's a system that changes our relationship with space. Starship is the engine of ambition, forging a new era of exploration. What does Starship mean for us all? It's not just about astronauts or distant planets. Low-cost access to space could revolutionize life on Earth, global internet, better climate monitoring, and new opportunities. Space could become as accessible as air travel, opening new frontiers for work and life. Imagine living or working on the Moon or Mars, changing our perspective forever. Starship could enable massive telescopes, deeper space exploration, and the search for life beyond Earth. The scientific bounty would enrich everyone, expanding our knowledge and sense of place in the universe. Starship is a vessel of hope, a symbol of what we can achieve together. The future doesn't have to be about limits, it can be about expansion and possibility. It invites us to look up, not as dreamers, but as future explorers. The journey is just beginning, and it's for all of us. Starship is more than steel and fire. It's the dawn of our cosmic age. Humanity is ready to step out of its cradle and walk among the stars.